Simple questions. Ne is used to indicate a question. The ne is usually the second word in a sentence. Why do we call them simple questions? The reason we call them simple questions is that you can only get a basic yes or no type response. If a person wants to tell more, he or she could, but the question is set up for a yes-no type response. How do we ask questions with more depth? In a later lesson, we will address how to ask who, what, when, where questions in more depth. We have already had a few pop up in previous lessons. Which word is the word are in Gamagine, are you leaving? Gamagine. Or Magine, is he or she leaving? Magine, where's the is? Gamagimene, are we all leaving? Gamagimene. The answer is none. When we translate the word back into English, it makes more sense to say are you leaving instead of literal you leave question. So Gamagine would be you leave question. Magine would be he or she leaves question. Gamagimene, we all leave question. So the are or the is just kind of included for the translation back into English. Some more examples. Gabaktane, gabaktane, are you hungry? Gabaktane. Gagiwisene, gagiwisene, did you eat? Gagiwisene. Migadikne, migadikne, are they fighting? Migadikne. Godotmasne, godotmasne, are you busy? Godotmasne. Godojitane, godojitane, are you ready? Godojitane. Goitadine, 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 are you going to gamble? Goitadine. Gapaknagane, gapaknagane, are you winning? Gapaknagane. Some more examples. Wabukne, gawigwedemochke. Wabukne, gawigwedemochke. Are you going to go fishing tomorrow? Wabukne, gawigwedemochke. Nagone, nagimikchui. Nagone, nagimikchui. Did I work yesterday? Nagone, nagimikchui. Nagone, gigiwe okwe. Nagone, gigiwe okwe. Did that woman go home yesterday? Nagone, gigiwe okwe. Gamajimne orajopi. Gamajimne orajopi. Are you all leaving right now? Gamajimne orajopi. Final thoughts. These types of questions are simple enough you should be able to start using them right away with your AI verbs from previous lessons. Just remember to put the ne second in the sentence, but don't put it between the pronoun and the verb. So don't put it between the gi or the we, the future tense, or the n and the verb, the n or the g, the I or you. So don't say gawi ne maji. This would be incorrect. And that's it for simple questions. Yo.